Blastoff is an online shopping network made up of over 500 of the largest retailers like Target, Macy's, Home Depot, Starbucks, everybody, and all the biggest travel sites like Travelocity, Expedia, Priceline, and Hotels.com. When you join, which is completely free, and you shop at these sites like you normally do, you get paid cash back every time you shop. I book my airline tickets at Travelocity like I normally do. I get a check in the mail. I do some shopping at the Gap, buy some books from Barnes & Noble. Boom, I get a check. I'm stoked. I'm telling all my friends. And now when they shop, they get a check in the mail, and so do I. And when their friends shop and the word starts spreading, I keep getting paid. It's awesome, and it's free. All you have to do is sign up. And it's easy to spread the word. You can send email invitations to your friends. Just import your contacts and press send, and Blastoff takes care of the rest. And if you're plugged into Facebook, MySpace, LinkedIn, or Twitter, get ready for Lightspeed. Blastoff provides easy-to-use tools for inviting your friends through your favorite social networks, instant messaging services, and blogging services. Imagine getting paid on thousands of transactions from people you don't even know for the rest of your life. And Blastoff keeps track of everything. From your Blastoff site, you can track your network statistics and watch your rewards virally grow. You can also customize your site with your favorite news, video on demand, music, and games, and do all of your social networking from one place. What's not to love? You save money, make money, it's free, easy, and fun. So sign up, spread the word, and get ready to blast off.